A funnel chart is used to represent the flow of a process, generally the impact of a business metric across phases. Funnel charts are primarily used to visualize the progressive reduction in your data metric as it passes from one phase to another. Each stage in the funnel corresponds to a phase in your business process flow. It visually represents the value or percentage of the data metric in comparison to the initial value or the previous stage value. This video will guide you on creating essential funnel charts that will help you in analyzing your Zoho CRM data with Zoho Reports Advanced Analytics. You can create similar funnel charts over other CRM solutions like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. We are first going to create a simple funnel to measure the overall conversion rate from initial marketing leads to final sales wins. To create the funnel, we're going to use the columns from the leads and potentials tables. Drag and drop the following columns into the y-axis shelf and set the function to count. Lead ID from the leads table. Potential ID from the potentials table. Finally, the won deals count from the potentials table. Drag and drop the columns in the order specified. The default graph generated is a pie chart. You can change the type to funnel using the Other Charts option. The generated funnel chart shows us the flow of marketing leads into sales potentials and finally into won deals. Now let's customize the funnel to make it more informative. The settings option in your funnel chart allows you to display data labels over the funnel with the actual value or percentage or both. In case of percentage, you can choose to display the actual value as a percentage of the total, or the comparison of the current value with the previous stage value, or the comparison of the current value with the first stage value of the funnel. Selecting the Show Conversion Rate option will display the overall conversion rate of the funnel as a percentage by comparing the last slice of the funnel with the first slice. Apart from that, the Settings option also allows you to choose a suitable funnel design. The available options are weighted height, uniform height, and weighted width. By default, the weighted height would be selected. The generated funnel chart captures the flow of leads across stages in an elegant and informative manner. The first stage contains the total number of leads generated. The second stage contains the potentials, that is, marketing qualified leads moved as sales potentials or deals. And the final stage contains the count of potentials or deals that were won. Let's now see another example. We're now going to create a funnel to display the sales pipeline across stages. This report is built on the potential stage history table. This table contains the stage in which each potential is currently in, along with its history. Drag and drop the stage column into the x-axis field and the potential stage history column into the y-axis field. Choose the y-axis function as count. The default graph generated is a bar graph. You can choose the funnel chart using the Other Charts option. You can now see a funnel chart capturing the flow of potentials across stages. In our example, the sales team had categorized the potentials into 6 stages, so the funnel chart will have 6 sections. In the qualification stage of the funnel are your qualified potentials. Next are your analyzed leads, people who have responded to your initial pitch and have shown an interest in your product. The initial offer contains sales leads with whom you've had an initial round of discussion and/or quoted an offer. The fourth stage, which is the proposal, contains the count of the clients with whom you've had discussed pricing. The negotiation stage contains the count of your customers who have taken it a little further and negotiated things like pricing, customization of features, and so on. The sixth stage, which is also the last stage, contains your final converted or won potential. At each stage, some of your prospects drop out, leaving the final converted sales leads at the bottom of the funnel. The chart makes it easy to analyze the conversion rate across each stage, the stages where potentials are lost the most, etc., providing great insight into how efficient your sales process is and how you can improve the same. The last funnel that we're going to create is the quotes to invoices funnel. This funnel helps you visualize the number of quotes generated, of which the number of sales orders placed, and finally the invoices generated. As we know, all the modules in Zoho CRM are interlinked by default, giving us the flexibility to create reports spanning across different modules. This report is built using the data from 3 different tables: quotes, invoices, and sales orders. Drag and drop the following columns in the same order into the y-axis shelf and set the function to distinct count. Quote ID column from the quotes table, quote ID column from the sales order table, and sales order ID from the invoices table. Change the pie chart that is generated to a funnel using the Other Charts option. Hooray! Analyzing the flow from quotes to invoices has never been this simple. Each stage contains the count along with the percentage in comparison with the previous stage. The total conversion rate is displayed towards the bottom of the funnel. Wasn't it easy creating funnels using Zoho Reports? Now go ahead and create your own funnels. For further inquiries, send us an email to support@zohoreports.com or call us at our toll-free numbers.